Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
Hello you guys, welcome to Agape of Nature. Today we're going to be learning how to make burdock root tea and learn of some of the benefits. There are four main benefits. It's antibacterial, it's a diuretic, an antioxidant, and it helps with blood purification. It's antibacterial, so it's going to help you kill germs, reduce fevers, treat colds, help with gout and joint pain. It's also an antifungal and an anti-inflammatory. Next on our list, it has diuretic properties. So since it is a diuretic, it's going to help you frequently urinate, causing you to flush out a ton of toxins. It's also going to help you increase your sweating. Next, it's an antioxidant. So it's going to help with acne, psoriasis, skin problems, help with your hair growth, and it's going to help fight the free radicals in your body that can go on and cause effects like heart attacks and cancers. Next is going to help with your blood purification. Now, the life is in the blood, so this is going to be one of the most important aspects of the burdock root. It goes inside the liver and helps remove the impurities from your blood. Next, it's going to help with your blood clots. So if you have thrombosis in your legs, it helps thin your blood. But warning, if you're on a blood thinner, do not take this. Please consult a doctor first, because you can bleed out and you can really hurt yourself by taking this and a blood thinner at the same time. So just be cautious. And if you take a lot of aspirin for prevention of heart attacks or something like that, or for women, menstrual periods, if you're taking a lot of aspirin for pain, it's going to help heal, because you can develop holes in your stomach from taking aspirin. So it's going to help heal those back, that damage back up. And combined with dandelion, it's a powerful blood cleanser. Please go and follow my podcast. Now we're going to get ready to go ahead and start making our root tea. So here's how it looks. And it kind of has like a spongy kind of texture. It's not really that hard. And it comes in like a dark browns to light brown. Fun fact, it's caffeine free. Now I'm going to be brewing this in my coffee pot. So make sure, even though I'm not going to put any of the burdock root inside of the cup, the coffee holder at the top, I still like to go ahead and just put a coffee filter in there so it can kind of slow down the process of the water going inside the coffee pot. And make sure that you use unbleached coffee filters. Unbleached. It's very important. Now for me, I use 1 tablespoon per 2 cups of water. It is recommended, I believe, that you take a teaspoon or 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup of water. But for me, I just do 1 tablespoon, 2 cups of water. And I like using my coffee pot, and I make the same tea every time, using the indication markers on the side of the pot. So I'm just going to fill this up to 4 cups. And what I'm doing right now, you can actually do this step to help rinse the burdock root tea before you go ahead and brew it. So you just go ahead and put some water in there. You're gonna take the coffee pot, kind of shake it around. Now, I do not recommend like going off and letting it sit in there for any length of time, not too long, because you will start to notice that it's very aromatic right away, and the water will start changing into the color it's going to change into right away. So for me, I kind of think that it's losing some of the properties just that quick. So I do not let it sit that long at all. Quick rinse, put it back in the pot, let it start brewing it, and let it do its thing. So now I've just strained that water off to show you guys. And we're going to start brewing this burdock root. And doing it in a coffee pot is just way more convenient for me. If I didn't do it this way, I would be doing it on the stove. So this way is way more convenient for me. And as you can see, that's some of the water that was drained off of there. As you can see, it was already yellow and it had been on there only a couple of seconds. The longer it sits in there, the darker brown it turns. So that's how you know your burdock root is done. After it's done steeping, it will be a dark brown color. And the small pieces of burdock root will actually expand. Now, if you want to buy this specific burdock root that I have, I got it for a great deal, and there is a link, an Amazon affiliate link in the description bar if you want to try this. It's very good, and it has a lot of great reviews on it. So I do recommend getting this. Now I'm just going to strain it. And if you're going to use a plastic pitcher, do not put it in there while it's hot. Plastic leaks BPA with temperature. Okay, so if you pour something in there that's too hot, or if it's too cold, it's going to leak that BPA. And the reason you want the burdock root is for healing. So that's kind of defeating the purpose. Now here is a look of the burdock root after it's been done steeping and everything. And it's soft in texture, but at the same time it's not fragile. It has a very aromatic, earthy smell. The taste of it is very earthy as well, and it has a sweet taste. It's a bitter herb, but it has a very sweet taste. Not very sweet, but just, it's kind of strange. I don't know what property in there that actually causes it to come off as sweet on the palate, but it actually does. So make sure you rinse your coffee pot out completely. Do not leave any of the burdock root in there. I have gotten a piece stuck in the back before, and trust me, it is a pain to get out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.